Flagler County, Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist, so the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rainfall that we got from this last round of unsettled weather. This is essentially from Sunday through Wednesday morning here at the Emergency Operations Center, just under 6 inches. City of Palm Coast came up with the highest amount up in Palm Coast with 7.90 inches at one of their water plants, and one of our volunteer spotters gave us a little better than 4 inches in Flagler Beach. And these are the highest amounts that we got in these regions. And I want to thank our volunteer storm spotters for all of their information. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the satellite image midday Wednesday, and we can see how things are starting to evolve as we wrap up the week here. Now that unsettled weather and associated low pressure systems all now moving off to the northeast. You can see the front kind of laying down here in South Florida, and some lingering cloud here, and the patchy cloud over our area starting to thin out quite a bit. Plenty of sunshine. So why is all of this happening? So let's take a look at the weather charts and see. Low pressure system here moving off to the northeast on this front. It finally got kicked off to the south. Low pressure rotates like this. Now, high pressure system moving in, and it rotates like that. So you got this doing this, and you got this doing this, and the pressure differences between these two features will allow for a breezy day to be noticed across Flagler County today. Now, all of this moves off to the east as we get towards the end of the week. Winds starting to come up out of the south, a little bit of moisture, maybe the odd shower or two possible. And we'll be watching this front as it moves across the United States by the end of the week. This cold front will be sweeping into Flagler County on Sunday, bringing another round of unsettled weather along with it. So we'll be watching that as we go towards the weekend. So what to expect over the next several days. So the rest of today, drying out, rather breezy at times. And then as we get through Thursday through Friday, warming up towards the end of the week into Saturday. Then a round of showers and storms likely on Sunday, with things cooling off and settling down early next week. Sky conditions largely sunny with patchy cloud from time to time through the end of the week. For the rest of today, high temperature near 72 degrees. Again, it will be a bit cooler and breezy, especially right along the coast. Low temperatures tonight, generally in the mid-50s as those winds will settle down. Of course, again, some patchy cloud. Through Friday, expect a slow warming trend with settled conditions, patchy cloud during the day. High temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, low temperatures bottoming out upper 50s to lower 60s with a warming trend into Friday. And as we get into Saturday, patchy cloud and warmer still, maybe a few showers. High temperatures getting into the lower 80s, low temperatures in the upper 60s at night. And getting into Sunday, a round of showers and storms are likely, but the timing of this and the intensity, not certain just yet, but this is a very likely scenario for Sunday. High temperatures getting up to the lower 80s, lows in the mid 50s behind that front. Now, as we get to Monday, Tuesday, patchy cloud to clear, cooler and settled conditions with things slowly warming up to the middle of the week. Highs in the lower 70s, lows in the 50s. At the beaches, surf 3 to 4 feet, surf temperature 66 degrees, a moderate rip current risk, UV index running up to very high, so make sure you get your sunblock on if you're going to be out at the beach or outside for any length of time. Now, we're going to talk about some of the warning systems we have in Flagler County, more specifically weather alert radios. Now, weather radios are old school technology. They've been around for quite a while, but they are a great way to stay informed. You can get your weather forecast 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, just by the touch of a button. Get severe weather notices with an alarm to alert you that hazardous weather is potentially approaching your area, but also you can get tropical weather updates anytime during the hurricane season, marine weather as well, anytime you'd like. But if you're going to get a weather radio, make sure it has this SAME feature. Should say it on the box. SAME, specific area messaging and coding, will allow you to program your radio just for Flagler County. That's going to wrap it up in the Emergency Operations Center. Again, for more weather information, go to flaglercounty.org, hover your mouse over webcams and weather, and sign up for Alert Flagler. Make sure you're connected up there as well. We just talked about the weather radios. Now, if you have Spectrum, you can watch us on channel 492. And if you go to YouTube, type in Flagler County, you can find our YouTube channel. That's going to wrap it up from the Emergency Operations Center. Everyone have a lovely day.